Oh, Jesus Christ, make us great, Lord. Everyone on earth has greatness, but not everyone is great. Why? Why we are not great? Why are we not great? Why are we not great? That is the problem. Because everyone has greatness. In every person's life, there is a special gift that the Lord put in him. I am telling the truth. Bad or good people on this earth, we are not talking about the devil. We are talking about man created by God. Man created in the image of God. Every man has greatness in him. There is a divinity in man. Hello? We are talking about the stars. We are now here focusing on stars.